Alright, Nassau, and it's pouring. We're on the Disney Dream, if you're curious. Let me just flip the LCD onto the side. But yeah, look. I think we're about to get enveloped in rain. If I were him, I would run. Don't quote me. I mean, water's just streaming down the glass. And it's really windy too. And right before I started to record, I saw a flash of lightning. Yeah, that's how you should get back to the ship if it's raining. You can see how rough it's making the sea. See? Excuse me if there's a little bit of chatter. I'm walking through cabanas. Oh man. See, I'm in cabanas. Oh man. I wouldn't be out there right now. I'll tell you that. I'll tell you that much. I wouldn't be out there right now. I'm gonna see if I... Oh.
What's that?
You can't see it, but that is Royal Caribbean's Grandeur of the Seas. As you can see, the aqueduct isn't running. Oh, there's a lot of streaming water on here. Looks like it's on-off rain. See, there's the Grandeur of the Seas. Royal Caribbean.
Yeah, right there. Turn.
Oh, sorry. However, all this is still running. Whoa. Whoa, this is getting worse. I'm gonna go back inside. I'm gonna get back inside before it gets worse. I'm just passing through.
No, same level.
Let's catch the elevator. Ah, perfect. Kone. Deck 9. This is my deck. No, go down. I want to go back down. I'm in aft. Alright, I'm not going to show you the footage. I'm not going to keep filming all the way to the midship. But alright. I'll go back to midship. There's the notification appliance. Must be some huge machines around here. Sorry about the... I was just covering the lens.
Thank you.
I think we're almost to midship. Yeah, I think we're almost there. Seems like an eternity. Alright, here's midship. Yep, here we are at midship. Okay. Which one will we have? Oh. Figured it would be one of these. Hi. What? Oh. No, open. I don't want to take this elevator. He pressed all the buttons. He made a Christmas tree. Let's try that again. Shall we not?
Find that puppy.
Thank you.
Have fun.
Bye-bye. Okay, well,
Sorry, these elevators are hard to ride alone. And here's the huge lobby. Yep. That was going on earlier. I did that.
No?
I did that same mystery.
You didn't eat lunch? It hasn't been eaten, right?
I'm not telling you who the culprit is. I know who it is. I'll give you his initials. His initials, CH.
Hello.
Hello. I was just passing those in your club. Alright, I don't... Those are the lifeboats. Oh, speaking of lifeboats, I was planning on recording the lifeboat drill and vibe, but they did do a drill, but the alarms didn't sound. I basically had nothing to record. Alright, I'm gonna stop the video here and turn it back on if anything gets interesting. Alright, bye.